Hey Mind Managers, today I'm going to show you how to add a link to a topic. So let's get started. To add a link to a topic, first select your topic, then click on the link option in the top ribbon menu. Then just select your link type. I'm going to add a URL. So let's just type in mindmanager.com. You can add a link title or it will auto-populate from the website and click OK. There's now a website linked to this topic, so if I click it, it'll take me to that website. The next method for adding a link is with a keyboard shortcut. So select your next topic and press Control-K. That will bring up the Add Link window there. And in this one, I'm going to add an email address. So let's just add hello at LAN Corporation, and I'm going to say hello. All right. Hit OK, and that will link to an email address if I click that. Now the third method is right-clicking. So I just highlight my topic, right-click, and put Add Link. And in this option, I'm going to link to a file on my computer. So I select File Path, click this drop down here, select File. Then I locate the folder that I want and the file and hit Open. Just hit OK there. That's going to link to the file directly on my computer. Another way, or the last way I'm going to show you today, is by linking a topic to another topic. So if I click on this topic way over here, somewhere else in the map, I can click and drag that over top. And it's going to show up this little menu here. I click Insert Link, and now if I close all this, the next time I want to find that topic, I just click that and it'll take me right there. So I hope that was helpful to show you some different ways to add links to topics in MindManager. We'll see you in the next video.